Let's say you're a news reporter.
Sir?
Which,
Can you repeat?
yeah, let's imagine that you're a news reporter, and you're which channel are you representing?
Not any.
Which channel are you on? Which news channel are you on?
I'm not on news channel, sir.
Okay. Have you seen this channel NDTV?
TV. No, sir. I don't watch news. I watch stories. So my father knows that.
Okay. So, so did you understand this session at all, or you didn't understand?
I understand.
Oh, okay. So let's imagine that you're a news reporter. Then, if you have understood, if you didn't understand, that's no problem. You can always ask me. So let's imagine that you're reporting some good news. So start.
Any good news?
Or let's say you're reporting some breaking news.
Breaking news. Breaking news. I have heard one news.
Yes. What is the news?
There are so many news, sir. I don't watch news, so I don't know any news. But in school, in my school, we also did that. We have to tell news, our favorite news. So one girl said that she and her friend, when they were speaking, and she was the news reporter, and the girl was a thief. You know what happened at that time? The girl then the girl said, "Oh, look here, breaking news, there's a thief who is stealing money." Then she gave the mic to that thief, and the thief said, "Oh, hello, hi friends, I'm a thief who steals money from bank." He said that.
Okay, and then?
And then another boy came. He was like dancing. It was so funny. He was dancing, and he was saying, breaking news, breaking news. A big tower has fallen on one girl. He said that. Everyone was shocked. Said, how did that happen? Where did that happen? He said, I don't. Then he said, I made the story up. I don't know where did that happen.
I don't know where
did that happen.
Where did that happen? No, that's wrong English, Ritika. You don't say where. You don't say where did that happen. I don't know. Where did that happen? You don't say that. You say where. I don't know where that happened.
Where that happened.
Is that clear?
Yes, that's clear.
Okay, very good. So now, can you imagine that you're a news reporter, and okay, so let's say that it has been raining very heavily in Bombay, and there are floods there. Okay, so let's pretend that is what has happened. Now imagine that you're the news reporter. So report this news.
So can you explain me how would I do
that? Yeah.
First.
So let's imagine it has been raining very heavily in Mumbai. Okay, so there's a lot of flooding, and the roads are filled with water. So people the cars are covered with water. People can't walk on the roads. So let's imagine that's what's happened. So now you're the news reporter. So now you announce this news.
Breaking news in Mumbai, it has been raining, so people can't go to their office or school.
Okay, so now you don't say peoples, you say people. People. Okay. Yeah. Okay, continue, Ritika.
So because of the flood, the cars and bikes are getting, they're drowning
Okay.
in the water.
Okay. What is drowning in the water?
I and my sister, I always use this word. I and my sister always use. On my terrace, so my sister always say that we are going to drown.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah. So there are floods and people are drowning, and then
Then even the house is sinking.
Houses
So
are sinking.
So people have to climb the roof to
Okay.
protect themselves. Sir,
People have to climb the roof
yes.
to
So,
protect themselves.
sir, if you are a news reporter and it was the Mumbai was flooded, so what would you do? Can you tell me?
Yeah. I would say that it has been raining continuously for the last 48 hours in Mumbai, and because of that, the roads are filled with water. People cannot go to their office. And the meteorological the weather department has announced a red alert in Mumbai, and people are advised to stay at home. Okay,
Sir,
for the next 48 hours.
Sir, if
Yeah.
the house is if it the house also drowned, where would they stay?
See, the house can't drown. Only people drown. Okay, the house cannot drown. The house. So it is only it's only living beings that drown.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. So cars may be filled with water, but houses don't, and houses don't sink. They remain on the ground itself.
In stories, I have in stories they do that. The house
House houses may collapse. That okay? So houses may collapse, but they don't drown.
collapse means
Yeah.
they will fall
Collapse.
down.
Yeah, collapse means they might fall. They might collapse if, like, buildings may collapse, but they don't generally collapse because of the rain.
So because of what?
They collapse because they're not properly constructed. Yeah. So generally they collapse because they were not